You are a standalone candidate, you are being deprived.
Yes, I am being deprived,
So
and
then
therefore
you have a right to agitate.
quite so. And therefore I am affected by this judgment, and HM Saya's case applies to me on all
आपका
fours.
नाम उस लिस्ट में था जिसमें पीटीआई
जी, PTI
की लिस्ट में आपका नाम
जी
था?
जी जी
इधर है लिस्ट आपकी दिखाएं,
जी
पेज जी, ये पेज
No, it's not been filed yet. I just got it, my lord. But I will file it if I may.
ये तो सारा आपका केस ही इस पे बिल्ड अप हो रहा है.
I've asserted it. I've stated it.
कौन सी वाली लिस्ट में नाम है ये?
Application. The list is here. This was the list that was presented, and this list was returned.
Mr. Salman Raja, neither is your petition numbered. Now you're producing enough notice has been given. Now you're producing a piece of paper on which your entire case rests.
I will file it.
I mean, it's not something that has just come in your hands. This is your document.
My lord, इसमें मैंने दो दिए, and then also we filed a writ petition in the High Court saying.
चीज का जवाब ही नहीं दे रहे हैं किसी चीज.
My lord, I have
बस आपने
stated
कहा
it.
ठीक है बस.
No, my lord, I'll explain. But in between, there was a problem with the sealing of the office and so on, and this was actually recovered quite late in the day. Eid holidays came in, and I've just received it, and I will file it. My apologies for not being able to file it earlier, but we were struggling with the sealing and the desealing of the
ये
office.
लिस्ट में तो सिर्फ दो नाम हैं.
जी, इसमें यही चाहिए थे.
लिस्ट तो कॉलम.
नहीं, because the law says as long as you filed a list, later on you can add
This is
to
the
it.
only list.
Yes, for the
Of
National
PTI.
Assembly. Yes, for the National Assembly. And
I'll ask you this question again.
Yes.
This is the only list of PTI for women.
yes.
Two candidates only.
Yes, because we knew that ultimately the law allows us to supplement this
अब
list.
आपसे आर्गुमेंट नहीं पूछ रहे.
Yes.
आप फैक्ट पूछ रहे हैं.
I've said so.
So if you don't think there's a danger in the answer.
No, this is the list that was filed.
Okay.
And therefore, at that time, when this list was filed, the expectation was that after the election, we would
Sorry,
be...
this is the list for reserve list for seats
For women.
women in from Punjab.
Yes.
So you filed separately for the other provinces.
Yes.
And for the
I'll file them all.
and for the provincial.
Yes.
अब तक फैक्ट्स आपको नहीं पता है.
नहीं, मुझे पता है.
अभी हमें आपने 3 दफा ये सवाल पूछा. My lord has to point out कि भाई पंजाब वाली लिस्ट है.
Yes. So I am filing the list before your lordship, in which she is named.
There should be a sense of responsibilities. How can we just accept it? That's why we want documents filed before
I will
the other
file
party
them.
gets a chance to at least consider it.
Lord, the Election Commission actually has filed things which have just come to my attention this morning. They've filed something over the weekend.
They have filed it, no?
Yes, but this I'm submitting. I will file, make copies available to them.
They shouldn't have come to your attention this morning because we got it yesterday and it was filed. वो देखें इलेक्शन कमीशन ने कब फाइल किया.
Lord.
तो आप कल निकलवा लेते ना.
Well, I will file this. My apologies
Mr.
for that.
Raja, so the petitioner you say is a person who was on the reserve seat for women?
Yes, for Punjab.
Now, what's your precise grievance against the judgment?
No, if I may now, that's the entirety of the case then, if I may proceed with that. And I will file this. My apologies for not having filed these earlier. These will be properly
And you
filed.
filed CMAs also. Can you just give us the numbers of everything simultaneously?
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. I've also filed a CMA 5839. This actually shows that
Oh, that's it? Or is there another CMA?
No, this is the CMA that's been filed.
5839M.
In CMA
ये बस
3554.
यही 2 documents हैं ना?
So, इसी के अंदर ही है.
So far, these are the documents, but I'll file this today. So CMA 3554.
I always say when the case is over, you can file it.
Lord,
Tell us your grievance, please. We don't understand.
let me argue the case
please
if I
get
may.
on with it now,
Yes,
बताएं.
Lord, I am. Lord, this CMA 5839. Ji.
Just one point. The applicant before you in paragraph number 2 states that she is president of PTI's Women Wing. Under section 203 of the Elections Act, a person cannot be a member of 2 political parties at one time. So if the applicant wishes to be considered or claims that she should have been considered as a candidate of SIC, he had to obviously join SIC.
But he hasn't argued what her case is. You're preempting
मैं सिर्फ ये
that.
point out
Let him state whether it is.
तो आप अपने
आप बैठिए, आप बैठिए.
अपने
पहले
टाइम
से
पे
ही
करिए
शुरू
ना.
करा
बैठिए.